Getting your online boarding pass on British Airways. In today's video, we are going to learn how to get your boarding pass online British Airways. So let's get started. The process is very simple. You just have to be at British Airways application. If you do not have their application, go to the App Store or Play Store to download their application. After downloading the application, you just have to create an account, and if you already have one account, you just have to log in. After logging into your account, you will be notified about your flight. You will have to check and wait for the notification, and once you are notified, you just have to navigate to the app and check in to the boarding pass section. And now here you just have to follow the instruction that you will see on the screen. After seeing the instruction, you just have to fill them out, and after filling all the information needed, you just have to click on download. Now, the moment you download the pass on your phone, you don't even need to be online to use it. You can access it anytime. That's pretty easy. So get the British Airways app downloaded to your phone, sign in your account, make it active, and be sure to notify when your flight is open for checking. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this.